Ready to learn how to use multiple Beetronics touchscreens simultaneously on a single PC running a Windows operating system? You've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, please ensure that your computer is running Windows 8 or above. Although this guide focuses on Windows 11, the steps are similar for previous Windows versions as well. To get started, simply click on the magnifying glass in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Type Control and select Control Panel in the search results. This opens a new window containing the Windows Control Panel. Change the View By option to Small Icons and select Tablet PC Settings in the list. This opens the Tablet PC Settings menu, allowing you to calibrate and set up your touchscreens. Next, select Setup. All your currently connected displays will now be fully white. Press Enter until the text appears on the display you would like to calibrate. Follow the on-screen instructions and tap the screen with your finger. Repeat this process for each touchscreen. Once finished, close the Tablet PC Settings tab with the OK button. You have now successfully set up and configured all connected touchscreen monitors, and each can be operated separately. To learn more about how to use your Beetronics display, subscribe to the Beetronics YouTube channel or click on another video to keep watching.